Hello everyone, in today's lesson we'll learn how to play the piano accompaniment of Everything I Wanted by Billie Eilish. Here's middle C for reference. We'll learn the piano accompaniment in the original key of F sharp minor. The blue font represents what we'll play on our left hand, and the red font represents what we'll play on our right hand. This song is quite simple, with only one chord progression played for the entire song. For our first chord, D major 7, on the left we'll play our D octaves, and the right hand will play F sharp, A, and C sharp. Our next chord is E major. On our left we'll play E, and on our right we'll play E, G sharp, and B, which is the root position of E major. Our next chord is C sharp minor. On our left hand, we'll play our C sharp octaves. On our right hand, we'll play E, G sharp, and C sharp, which is our first inversion of C sharp minor. Next, we'll play D major. On the left, we have D. On our right hand, we have D and G sharp. So the chord progression is D major 7, E major, C sharp minor, and D major. So again, that's D major 7, E major, C sharp minor, and D major. Now we'll add some melodies in between those chord progressions. First, we'll play our D major 7 chord. With our right, we'll play A, and then we'll play E major chord. Next, we'll play C sharp minor chord, and with our right, we'll play G sharp, and then we'll play our D major chord. Then we'll play A, B, C sharp, and D. Then we'll play our D major 7 chord again. Then with our right, we'll play A. Then we'll play E major chord, C sharp minor chord, then we'll play with our right C sharp, followed by D major. And together it sounds like this. Now you can also play one octave lower for variation. I find sometimes jumping back into D major 7 chord is a little bit difficult, so you can cheat a little bit by leaving out the F sharp.